Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. And today's vlog, guys, let's cook a very simple recipe using tuna in can, plain tuna and potato. This one would become a rice bowl. Okay, then I use butter and garlic only. Do watch until end, guys, if how I prepare a simple recipe but special preparation. Okay, and you can do it also in your kitchen because you have ingredients that all I use here. Just only using this, guys. This one is to sprinkle, or this one is not what we call this, optional only. Okay, optional only, I mean. Okay, so watch until then, guys, and I will prepare the recipes that we need. Very simple but delicious. Okay, first I would like to scramble this one egg. This one is only for one person. Okay, I would like to put turmeric for more colorful and aromatic. And for taste, black pepper and salt to make it more colorful. And let's slice the potato, guys. This one is rice bowl. So let's slice this potato in a small size. Something like that. Easy to chew and perfect for rice bowl. I enjoy learning or exploring any recipes that I would like to try. And sometimes my kids don't like first time I cook, but when I try and make it more special, they love it. Okay, very simple recipe, guys, and you can cook any countries because all countries have tuna and tuna. Okay, plain tuna and potato. So watch until, guys, I would like to continue this process. And after slicing the ingredients, guys, let's put a little bit of cooking oil on the pan. And let's cook the egg. And let's continue to cook. Put a garlic. Do not put too much of spice, guys, because our ingredients is very delicious. The potato have their own taste, natural taste, and also our tuna have also a taste. So we don't need to cover up the spice, the taste of the spice. A simple garlic is enough. You can add an onion if you would like, but for me, garlic is okay. So that the ingredients that we use cannot be damaged, that their own taste could not be damaged. Okay, that's the purpose. And then let's fry the potato. Cook the potato until it's done. Then add the butter so that the butter taste would get into in the potato. And a small slow fire. Okay. And this is our tamago or egg. Okay. In Japanese term, tamago, and English, egg. Okay, let's slice this, guys, in a very small or long, slim size. Okay. Okay, something like that. Something like that. This one is good for one person. I'm cooking only for my son's dinner. I'm done with my dinner, early dinner. Okay? And the potato is already cooked, guys. Let's add black pepper and salt to taste a little bit because our tuna have their own taste, and the potato also have a natural taste. And this moment, let's add tuna in oil. Okay? That's not water, just that's oil. As I've said, very simple, okay? No need to hurry, no need to run. Just simple. And for aroma, ocean aroma, let's add this aonori or green green lover. It's a kind of seaweeds, guys, that is popular using in Japanese cuisine. Okay. Then mix it. Just simple. And this one is ready to serve. If you would like more creamy, add a little bit of mayonnaise on it. Plain mayonnaise. For more satisfying, delicious. Okay? Just simple. Very simple. But of course, delicious. And this part, guys, is not already done. As I've said, this one will turn into rice bowl. Okay? So I'm waiting for the rice because rice is not already cooked. Okay? Okay, guys, let's prepare the rice bowl. Okay? This one is kind of another kind of seaweeds. A product from Korea. Nori. Okay? Salted nori. Let's put here. This is the rice, guys. Wow, it's very hot. It's still hot. Okay. And the egg that we cook. Simple recipe, but you can make it extraordinary with extra preparation. Okay, this is not ramen, this is rice bowl. And let's put now the ingredients, the recipe that we cooked, the main recipe: potato and tuna. Okay, and to finalize, let's put on the top another nori, aonori, for better aroma and very tempting. I love this. This one is used usually in takoyaki, konnyaku, yakisoba, and also any kind of pasta you like to add, especially seafoods pasta. Okay, and it's done. My simple recipe rice bowl. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoy my simple recipe, and until next simple recipe that is only born only in my kitchen. So until here, guys, bye. Thanks for watching.